in this box are my spices from Chef Nanci, who is the chef on I Am Athlete podcast. This is the thank you card and the spices that it comes with. All purpose with cumin, roasted garlic, island jerk, lemony lemon pepper, spicy Cajun queen, and a bonus Mediterranean citrus. It's got a logo on there, the rosary roasted garlic. This one is the all-purpose. This one is the one I can't wait to use, the lemony lemon pepper. Put those on some wings in the air fryer, and an island jerk. So all the spices laid out in the thank you card.